if people do need to file tax returns, it's worth being aware that you have, in general, up until the 31st of January to file your tax return, assuming that you're filing it electronically. So that's about 10 months to reconcile your position.
Which is quite a long time, actually, compared to a lot of countries, isn't it?
It really is. Unfortunately, as we've seen quite often, people will tend to go, yes, I've got 10 months, but let's leave it 9 months and 2 weeks before we actually start thinking about the tax return position. I am very much an advocate of get your information in as soon as possible. Know where your tax position is as soon as possible, because even if it is I'm going to have a horrible tax liability, surely it's better to know where your position is and make sure you can then plan how you're going to make.
Yeah, but the
pay it.
ostrich approach is quite nice, of just burying your head in the sand for as long as possible. I can buy into that to some degree. I think, though, on that point, what's often a misconception is that, and I wonder whether this feeds into why people don't do it so early. You can do your tax return on the 7th of April. You don't have to pay the tax until
No.
the 31st of January. So it's, to your point, it's to find out what you owe.
Yeah.
And then you just put a reminder in your diary to pay it as. I did a capital gains tax return personally the other day, and I had I'm not giving them the money until the day I need to give it to them. But then I'd done the return before, right?